My name is Damilola Awolaja, and I will be teaching you how to make the most delicious no-churn vanilla ice cream with only 3 ingredients. Watch and learn. So, to make this ice cream, we would need just 3 ingredients like I've said. This is condensed milk, the vanilla, and then whipping cream. There are various types of whipping creams. There is the powdered and the liquid. There is also the full fat and the low fat. But for best results, it is advisable to make use of the full fat whipping cream or heavy cream. So for this recipe, I'll be making use of the powdered whipping cream just to make you see that it can also produce a beautiful result. Although not as creamy as making use of heavy whipping cream, but it comes out very delicious also. That means that if this powdered whipping cream is all that you've got, you can still get a very delicious ice cream. So this is what the powdered whipping cream looks like. I have already mixed mine into this bowl, but I want to show you what it looks like. So right now, I'll just go ahead with my measurements. I have already prepared my whipping cream. I made 2.5 cups of whipping cream into this, and now I'm going to go ahead to measure 330 grams of condensed milk. You could just buy directly from the store a 400 grams of condensed milk and just use almost all of it if you don't have a scale. Go ahead to whipping our whipping cream until soft peaks form. Right now, we will gradually add in the condensed milk with the vanilla. Wow, and that's it. We're done. Ice cream is ready. Now, we are going to refrigerate this for at least 8 hours to have our complete no-churn delicious vanilla ice cream. Yeah, so it's been 8 hours since we kept our ice cream in the freezer and it's ready. Look at how it looks, so pretty. This is what your ice cream should look like also. Thick, creamy, and set. That's what it should look like. So let's get to serving the ice creams now. So this is a basic vanilla ice cream recipe, and you could spice this recipe up with any toppings of your choice. You could spice it up with brownies or with cookies and so much more. Watch out for our next ice cream class where you would learn other ice cream flavors.